What's up guys? In this video, we're going to be making Parisian macaroons. And stay tuned to the end for a bonus recipe. Let's go!
This is the JDC Show.
Hey guys, this is our first time eating. This is Lloyd. Hello. And I am Joseph. I asked my parents if we could make Parisian macaroons. So let's get baking. Here are the ingredients. Egg white, sugar, almond flour, powdered sugar, meringue powder, pink food coloring, and strawberry flavoring. Mix and sift the almond flour with the powdered sugar in a mixing bowl. Then whisk the egg white. Whisk until it forms a stiff peak. Then add your desired flavoring and coloring. Now that we have made our meringue, it's time to fold in the almond mixture. Hey guys, we're so close to the secret recipe. If this video gives you value, then be sure to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks. Now it's time to put it in a piping bag. After piping, tap the bottom to pop all the bubbles, and then let it sit for about 2 hours for it to form the skin. Now that the cookies are done, it's time for the filling. You can fill a macaroon with any filling, but my dad makes the best mousseline cream. And as for a bonus, you're gonna learn this recipe. Here are the ingredients for the mousseline cream: sugar, milk, cornstarch, egg, butter, and strawberry flavoring. In a medium-sized pot, combine the milk and the sugar and let it boil. While we wait for the milk mixture to boil, in a metal bowl, combine and whisk the egg with the cornstarch. Once the milk mixture is boiling, temper the egg by slowly pouring the milk and whisking fast. Then keep whisking until the mixture is thick. When done, let it cool. When it's cool to the touch, mix in the butter and the flavoring of your choice. That's it for me, guys. Be sure to smash that like button like it was 2020. and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Come on, though, we gotta say the word.
Add the
Sharpie food coloring.
flavor and food coloring.